Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So let's discuss about the theory of physical incompatibility. When two or more than two substances are combined together, the physical change takes place and an unacceptable product is formed. Physical incompatibility is due to the following reasons, that is immiscibility, insolubility, precipitation and liquefaction. First let's discuss about the immiscibility. Oils and water are immiscible with each other. To overcome this incompatibility, an emulsifying agent is used. Second, insolubility. In liquid preparations containing indivisible solids such as chalk, aromatic chalk, powder, acetyl salicylic acid, zinc oxide, calamine, etc., a suspending agent may added. Then third one, that is a precipitation. A drug in the solution may be precipitated if the solvent in which it is insoluble is added to the solution. For an example, resins are insoluble in water. This can be prevented by slowly adding the undiluted tincture with the vigorous stirring to the diluted suspension or by adding the thickening agent. Liquefaction, fourth one, that is liquefaction. When the certain low melting point solids are mixed together, a liquid or soft mass is produced. For an example, camphor, menthol, thymol, phenol, etc. These substances can be dispensed by first one, triturate together to form liquid and mixed with an absorbent like light kaolin or magnesium carbonate, and second, the individual medicament is powdered separately and mixed with an absorbent and then combined together. So we will discuss regarding actual experiment. Experiment number 96, title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1, oil and water are immiscible with each other. They can be made miscible with the emulsifying agent. Learning objectives are to understand the physical incompatibility and its method of correction, and ability to prepare the formulation correctly so as to overcome the incompatibility. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, funnel, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 60, that is equal to 0.16. Prescription is denoted by the symbol Rx. We have, this is prescription given over here. So let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. Type, that is category, use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient. Quantity given in imperial system is not given over here as we don't have the formula given in Latin terminology. The formula is directly given in metric system. So quantity given in metric system for preparing 60 ml and quantity taken in metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. Castor oil used as a laxative, purgative. Quantity given in the metric system is the 15 ml. Taken quantity should be 2.4 ml. Then water used as a vehicle, quantity given is for preparing quantity sufficient up to 60 ml. Taken quantity should be quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction 15 ml, that is 1 tablespoonful to be taken as directed by physician. Stepwise procedure, use gum acacia as emulsifying agent. Weigh it accurately for castor oil and follow the dry gum method to complete the emulsion. Transfer the finished product to a suitable container, cork it, attach prepared label and submit. As we are going to using the dry gum method, means first of all we will dissolve that acacia, we will emulsify or that acacia by adding the oil. Castor oil is mixed with acacia and after that the water is added. So gum mucilage is first of all formed with the oil phase and then the water is added. That's why that is known as the dry gum method. Use of preparation, laxative, purgative. Result, 10 ml of the emulsion is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with the special instruction on label as check well before use. As in this particular type of formulation, that is emulsion, we have seen the physical type of incompatibility, and for overcoming that particular physical type of incompatibility we have to use the gum acacia as an emulsifying agent, which will properly solubilize or make miscible the oil and water into each other. Thank you.